Assalamu alaikum, my young and enthusiastic viewers. Welcome to my channel Learn English PK. Today we are going to cover class 10 chapter number 3. First, I'll tell you the title and then we'll explore the exciting journey of how English is transforming in the digital age. The title of this chapter is Digital Globalization Transforming the English Language. This title means that technology and online platforms are reshaping how English is used worldwide. Digital globalization connects cultures, creates new words, changes grammar, and blends accents. In simple words, the internet is not just changing how we talk, it is transforming the English language itself. ये चैप्टर हमें बताता है कि डिजिटल दुनिया इंग्लिश को कैसे नया रंग दे रही है और कैसे नए अंदाज में पेश कर रही है. Let's have a look at its title first, that what does it mean? Digital globalization means the worldwide spread of technology and online platforms. Transforming the English language means how English changes in vocabulary, grammar style, and identity because of digital communication. In simple words, technology plus internet is the English evolving into new forms across cultures. This chapter explores how digital globalization is transforming English. We'll see how English has become the global language of online spaces, how new words like selfie and hashtag emerged, how code switching creates hybrid dialects, and how grammar and emojis reshape communication. Finally, we'll reflect on the opportunities and challenges this dominance creates for local language. Here are the key vocabulary words from Chapter 3. These words help us understand how English is changing in the digital age. For example, abbreviations like LOL and BTW show speed in communication, while emojis act like modern hieroglyphs. Words like hybrid and inclusive remind us that English is mixing with other languages and cultures. Each word adds depth to our understanding of digital globalization. Let's have a look at the paragraphs. From paragraph number 1 to 3, we explore how English evolves with technology, how online conversations reshape language, and how new vocabulary like selfie, hashtag, and emoji exploded into daily use. These changes show us that English is not static, it is alive, adapting to the digital age. ये जो फर्स्ट 3 पैराग्राफ हैं ये हमें ये बताते हैं कि इंग्लिश डिजिटल दुनिया के साथ इवॉल्व कर रही है और नए अल्फाज हमारी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बन गए. From paragraph number 4 to 6, we learn how code switching creates hybrid dialects, how grammar shifts in online English, making communication faster but less formal, and how emojis act like modern hieroglyphs, adding more emotions and meaning beyond words. These paragraphs show us how digital tools reshape the very structure of language. ये पैराग्राफ्स हमें ये बताते हैं कि डिजिटल दुनिया में इंग्लिश कैसे नए अंदाज में लिखी जा रही है और इमोजी लफ्ज़ों से भी ज़्यादा जज्बात बयान करते हैं. इन paragraph number 7 and 8, we explore the opportunities created by English dominance in the digital world, such as global communication and access to knowledge. But we also see the challenges for local languages, which risk being overshadowed or losing their unique identity. This balance is important to understand. अब ये जो पैराग्राफ हैं, पैराग्राफ नंबर 7 और 8, ये हमें ये बात बता रहे हैं, इस बात की तरफ इशारा हो रहा है इन दोनों पैराग्राफ्स में कि इंग्लिश के ज़रिए दुनिया एक हो रही है, लेकिन वहीं पे जो लोकल ज़बानें हैं वो अपनी पहचान खो सकती हैं. Paragraph number 9 shows us that digital globalization is not entirely negative. It has created an inclusive and diverse linguistic space where voices from Ghana and Philippines and many other cultures mix English with local dialects. This makes English truly global, shaped by its users rather than rigid rules. पैराग्राफ जो 9 है ये हमें ये बताता है कि जो डिजिटल ग्लोबलाइजेशन है ये इंग्लिश को इंक्लूसिव और डाइवर्स बनाती है, जहाँ मुख्तलिफ कल्चर्स के रहने वाले लोग अपनी आवाज़ उठा सकते हैं. Paragraph number 10 highlights the profound impact of digital globalization on English. Grammar rules are loosened, hybrid forms of communications emerge, and English adapts to global diversity in creative and unexpected ways. This shows us that language is alive, constantly evolving with technology and culture. ये जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ है ये इस तरफ इशारा कर रहा है कि इंग्लिश चूँकि डिजिटल कल्चर के साथ नए तरीक़ों में इवॉल्व कर रही है और हर कम्युनिटी इसमें अपना रंग डाल रही है। इसका मतलब है कि इंग्लिश एक अलाइव लैंग्वेज है, एक ज़िंदा ज़ुबान है जो कि इवॉल्व होने की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रखती है। Okay, dear student, the theme of this chapter is the dynamic transformation of English in response of digital cultures, online communications, and cross-cultural exchange. English adapts, grows, and evolves to meet the needs of global speakers in creative and unexpected ways. This shows us that language is alive, constantly changing with technology and society. इस सारे चैप्टर का थीम ये है कि इंग्लिश डिजिटल कल्चर के साथ डायनेमिक तौर पर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है और हर कल्चर अपना रंग इसमें डाल रहा है। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर अ क्विक क्विज़। अब ये एक छोटा सा क्विज़ लेते हैं, वीडियो को पास करना है और जवाब देने की कोशिश करें। विच ऑप्शन बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन्स डिजिटल ग्लोबलाइजेशंस इफेक्ट ऑन इंग्लिश? कैन यू स्पॉट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वोकैब्युलरी एक्सप्लोजन? What is code switching? How does grammar change online? And finally, what are emojis compared to? Let's see how much you remember. Here are the answers to our quiz. English evolves with technology, vocabulary explores online, and code switching mixes different languages. Grammar rules are loosened and emojis act like hieroglyphs. Well done if you got them right. Remember one thing, language is alive and keep changing with digital culture. Keep practicing these words and ideas in your daily conversation. Thank you so much for watching this lesson with patience and dedication. Your focus makes learning more powerful. In our next video, we'll cover the questions and answers from chapter number 3. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and give your feedback in the comment section. Your voices keeps this journey alive and inspires me to bring more lessons for you. So take great care of yours. Allah Hafiz, my diligent young learners.